Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As always, if you hear the background, Gideon is here. So today I wanted to review the Milani foundation, the Milani Conceal Perfect. It says it's supposed to be medium to full coverage, lightweight oil-free formula, long-wearing, water-resistant, and sweat-proof. This one I believe was $8.97, so like $9 at Walmart. So what do you have to lose? The foundations that I normally buy are $45 to $55, so I don't want to be wearing those foundations every single day. I want a foundation that I can wear every day and not feel like... If you want to see how this foundation tested out, how it was put on, just sound effects. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how this foundation held on, just keep watching. Let's go ahead and prime our face. Pretty excited about this foundation because I have been loving drugstore foundations lately. I feel like they're just coming up with great stuff, and I think I've been sleeping on it because we're so focused on high-end foundations and things like that, and so we just assume that because we're paying more money it's better. And I mean, there's foundations that are great, but if you don't have the money to spend on, you know, those expensive foundations, drugstore foundations are amazing. You know. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. I think it might be a little too dark for me, but I think with the powder we'll be able to fix it. But I mean, right off the bat, it does have really good coverage. Let's see. I have redness around my nose right here, so I'm gonna see how it goes there. But so far it looks good. Let's go ahead and put it all over our face. And I just put one pump, and one pump covered this whole side. It'll probably cover most of this side. Let's see. I wish I had a better makeup setup, guys, but I don't do much makeup videos, so I should invest in one, but I feel like then I would have to be doing more videos to get my money out of it, so we shall see. So I'm gonna put half a pump because I don't think I need much more than that. I'll show you guys once it's all on, that way you guys can really see up close. But I mean, so far it is like, it is full coverage, and this is just one layer. We might just need just a little bit more. So let's say we're using 2 full pumps, and 2 full pumps will definitely get your entire face. As far as coverage goes, it definitely covered all the redness on my face. I don't see any more redness in my face. I had a couple, I don't know why my skin has been so bad lately. I feel it's because I normally drink a lot of water, and lately I have not been drinking as much water. I've been on it this week again, but it just sucks whenever you have really good skin when you're pregnant, and then it's like you get the postpartum hair loss, the postpartum you start losing your hair, your skin starts breaking out or starts drying out. I've never had dry skin, you guys. Like, I've always had super oily skin, and when I was pregnant my skin was pretty dry, like this area right here. I don't know why, and I just thought, oh, it's the hormones, obviously, but I thought it was gonna go away, and it did not. So let's go ahead and take you guys up close and personal. What do you guys think? It is definitely full coverage. It covered all the redness right here and right here, and then I had a couple blemishes on my chin, and on my forehead, and you can't see them. Yeah, like I said, my skin is really bad, but as far as the coverage for the foundation goes, I'm pretty amazed, you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I went ahead and just did the rest of my makeup. It's currently 12. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and give it, what, 8 hours? I'm just gonna go ahead and give it 8 hours. That way we can kind of test it out and see how it holds up for the rest of the day. But so far, I mean, obviously I just put it on, but I'm saying like the coverage is amazing. Like just in coverage, it's amazing. So I want to see how it's gonna hold up, like if it's gonna kind of, like I said, I have really oily skin right here on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and then this right here is dry, but like the rest is like super oily. So I want to see how it's going to hold up in those areas, or even in my dry areas, to see if it's going to like just crack or something. I really want to test it out and see. If I go to the gym, I'll see if I can go to the gym. If I can go to the gym, then we'll test out the sweat proof. If not, I kind of sweat around the day. Just following this guy around, Gideon around. So we're going to go ahead and give it 8 hours. So I'll check back with you guys at 8 p.m. Can you see like my foundation? Do you know what foundation is? That's no. Like my skin, how my skin looks.
I mean, you can. I just don't know how detailed it's supposed to see or show.
Does my face look oily?
No.
Does it look like I just put on my makeup? Or would you assume that I've had it on all day?
I would assume that you've just freshly pampered yourself.
So it doesn't, like, you can't see like anything coming off?
No.
No?
Baby?
So
he says no as well. It is 8:43 p.m. Central Standard Texas time.
So it's 8:43, and I've had the foundation on since noon whenever I showed y'all, and it looks really good.
You look good.
It looks really good. Like
you look fresh.
And I put it on at noon, so it held on all day, and I cooked and cleaned.
One might even say ripe.
I cooked. Look at him smiling. I cooked, I cleaned, I didn't get to go to the gym.
We're gonna, but
I mean, like, it held on really good.
Hi guys. Am I in the video? It's been 3 videos since you haven't put me on there.
Yeah.
Assuming energy.
So yeah, I would say that it held on. It was really like easy to blend on. Mm-hmm. And
is this the translucent makeup I got you?
This is the Milani, the $9 one.
I had
so for $9,
yeah,
this held on like my Estee Lauder one that's like $50. So
excuse me?
Excuse me? I haven't bought it.
Why would it be? Why would a $10 one be compared? Excuse me.
It literally like has full coverage, coverage, because I have a lot of redness around here, and like my face doesn't really feel oily either. So it literally held on like a high end.
Baby agrees. Bro,
so yeah, I definitely recommend the foundation. It held on all day. And I'm gonna put it on again tomorrow when we're out and see how it holds up outside.
For $9?
For $9, I mean, you have to try it out.
How long does it last?
Oh, a long time, because I don't really wear makeup every day. But
because you shouldn't. You're naturally beautiful.
That's not true.
Just like my baby.
But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want to see more reviews on products, let me know. So
am I gonna make the cut on this vid? Am I gonna be
not this week, because we're on a spending free, so I can't spend money. But
spending free,
if you guys have any products that you recommend, drugstore products, I'll definitely check them out.
Am I gonna be in the video?
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the bloopers.
Oh wow, I'm only as worth a blooper to you?
This is a review on my foundation.
I can be in the video, I'm part of this family.